Alright, so you probably don't know, but this is take 2 of the service elevator at Montego Bay. I tried to film the initial video, but their Wi-Fi login page decided it was going to come up and forced the video to get cut. So when you see this elevator when you come in, you notice B, C, and 2 are green buttons. Otherwise, it's a normal Series 1 service elevator. Pretty much all stainless steel. So if we take it down to 3. I don't believe I can actually even press the B, C, or 2 buttons. But you know what? I'm gonna try it. And see if it goes. There's a floor indicator right there. And it does not. But it says it goes down. So I don't know. I'm gonna guess this thing has a button combination. Either that or floor lockout, no B. It's on the floor lockout system. So they lock out the floors, these ones via the so they lock out those via key. I see how it works. And I think pressing C and 2 also didn't do anything. Yeah, no, it didn't. So that's it.